Hello everyone. My name is Rishabh Chauhan, ICC Level 2 cricket coach, and in today's topic I will be discussing on nutrition and diet. It is very extensive, but we will be discussing on important aspect only. If we eat well, it can enhance the immunity, strength, intelligence, and much more. Disclaimer: the objective why I'm speaking on this topic is only educational purpose and nothing else. If we have a balanced diet, a body will be fitter and healthier. Training and nutrition goes hand in hand. Sportsmen need to focus 30% on training and 70% on nutrition. Our Indian basic food, example chawal, dal, roti, sabji, or any other cultural food from any part of India, are most important nutrition that we can have and need not to follow any dieting for any result. One food will not make us strong. We need all the nutritious food to make a balanced and healthy diet. So, if an athlete have a balanced nutritious diet, there will be less risk injury, no fatigue, faster recovery, good muscle buildup, and many more advantageous aspects in sports. Balanced nutritious diet also help in healthy metabolism. So give a wise thought before eating anything. Let's have a concise discussion on nutrition and diet. What is nutrition? Nutrition is a process of obtaining food that our body need on daily basis to keep us healthy. Diet. Diet is the usual food drink consumed by the body. Now we will discuss about type of nutrition. Carbohydrates. It is the fuel or energy giver to the body. Example roti, chawal, idli, upma, grains, etc. Carbohydrates don't make anyone fat, so don't avoid it. Protein. Protein perform a diverse range of function for the body. They are required for the structural function and regulation of the body's metabolism. Example dal, sprout, soya, beans, milk product, and for non-veg, egg, chicken, meat, fish. Fats. It does not make you fat. It gives brain cell stimulation, keep body temperature in control, lubricates the body joints, etc. Ghee, cheese, butter, flaxseed, coconut, etc. are the example of fats. Vitamins. It is the essential element for the normal function of the body. It gives strength to the bones, boost immune system, repair cellular damage, etc. Example of the vitamins food are fruits and vegetables, etc. Minerals. Just like vitamins, it is essential element for the normal function of the body. It helps the body grow, develop, and stay healthy. Example of the minerals are fruits and all the vegetables. Water. Water contains two-thirds of the body. Water helps the body absorb nutrients. It helps maximize physical performance. Now we will discuss about the types of diet. There are many several diets. Vegetarian diet. This diet includes fruits, vegetable, grains, milk product, and all plant origin product. Non-vegetarian diet. It includes chicken, meat, egg, fish, and other animal origin product. Vegan diet. It is the plant-based diet. Exclude all animal product. Example: fruits, vegetable, grains, pulses, nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, etc. Keto diet. It is the high fat, adequate protein, and low carbohydrate diet. Example seafood, cheese, egg, avocado, coconut oil, etc. There are several more diets also. Now, I will tell why balanced diet is important in sport. Balanced diet is important because it provides a source of energy required to perform the activity. The food we eat impact on our strength, training, performance and recovery. Nowadays, sportspersons are occupied with the vigorous training session and practice matches. If a sportsperson do not have a balanced ratio of carbs, fats, protein, vitamins and minerals, then there would be a regular fatigue and risk of injury. To optimize performance, the body requires balanced nutritious diet for having energy, building up and healing up the wear and tear of the muscles, lubrication of the joints, etc. Now, important question arise how we can improve our nutrition and diet. We can improve the diet by adding all six type of nutrition in our meals. That is breakfast, lunch, dinner. So in breakfast we can eat idli having carbs, sambar is the protein, coconut chutney which is fat, vegetable in sambar having vitamins and minerals. Or if we eat non-veg we can have egg that is protein. Lunch and dinner we can eat roti, chawal having carbs, any dal for protein, ghee or oil for fat, vegetables for vitamins and minerals. We can also eat khichdi, pulao, for example, chawal is the carbs, adding paneer is the protein, ghee or oil are the fat, and vegetable are the vitamins and minerals in it. Another topic that I want to discuss that is equally important are junk food, supplements, and sleep. All young players are very fond of junk food. Example chips, burgers, chocolate cakes, fried food, etc. This type of food never give us satisfaction but only gives flavor and contains zero nutritious value. Fried food have greater quality of trans fat which is harmful because it is difficult to break down, eventually make individual heavy and full. Junk food is unhealthy food that is high in calories, sugar and bad fats which results in obesity also. So avoid eating it regularly. Supplements. It is the makeup of the body. Athlete takes supplements to make sure they get enough essential nutrition and maintain or improve their health. Now in examples I will explain it. As we know every nutrition has some portion of calories. If a sportsman need to take 2000 calories daily, but from food total calories is coming to 1000 only, then the deficit 1000 calories can be taken from the supplements to improve the and prevent the muscle and body from getting fatigue and prevent risk injury. If we have a strong foundation eating balanced diet, we do not need supplements. Also, no supplement should be taken by prior recommendation of a well qualified sports nutritionist, as we don't know what kind of supplement is required by our body. Sleep. We need to take adequate amount of sleep because if we sleep less, it will affect the immunity. Athlete will not recover with daily wear and tear of the body in the daily training session. Quality sleep is also good for memory as young students need to concentrate on studies and also in various aspects in sports. As When we sleep, transfer happens of data from short term memory to a long term memory in the brain. For young player, it is also help in physical and mental growth of the child. At the end, everyone has a brief knowledge about nutrition and diet. Every healthy food is good for the body. For a young player, major part of nutrition that the body require is carbs, about 60%, protein is 20%, and fat is also 20%. Healthy nutrition is very important subject for an athlete, and what type of nutrition to make it perform well is more important. So, enjoy food made at home and make your body foundation strong. That is the key for a balanced diet. Thank you.